You're here for an appointment?
No. Is this the main hospital?
No, this is not an emergency room.
Is this the main hospital?
It's not a hospital.
What is this?
It's a nursing facility.
No, I'm saying there's a Governor Hospital.
Around the corner is the clinic. This is two separate parts. That's all I was asking.
Does the clinic have an emergency room?
No.
So it's not an actual medical center?
No.
What is
It's
it?
like clinics, like if you want an appointment or something like that.
Okay. All right, thank you.
You're welcome.
Closed.
You can't be recording.
Why not?
Because you can't be recording.
How
You
come?
need help with something?
No.
Okay, so are you trying to go to the other side?
No. I'm just
Okay.
recording.
No, but you can't come in and just record. It's either you're here to
Why not?
visit. Are you here to visit?
I'm here to record.
Central, can you Central,
But of
please?
course, they did not consult the nephrologist.
Oh, I'm interrupting.
25 ICU stations.
Who'd you call, your supervisor?
Suction.
Yeah, you need help, or
I told you already, I'm recording.
but you can't just come in here and just record.
Why not? Did somebody tell you that, or are you just making that up?
Not making it up.
So why would you say that?
Because what are you recording for?
So the reason why I'm recording depends on whether I can record or not?
No.
So
She's
what are
gonna
you
help
saying?
you.
I don't need nobody's help. I told you already.
Hi, how are you?
Good, thank you.
Hey, Cameron. I said this is an emergency room, but I can just record it.
Yeah. Were you just at Roberto Clemente?
What's your name?
Were you just at Roberto Clemente?
I'm not in the mood to answer any questions.
All right. But you can't be recording in the medical facility, though.
Why do you say that?
This encounter begins at a New York City health and hospital facility where an individual exercises his right to film in public. Officers confront him immediately, claiming he cannot record inside the building. The citizen asks clarifying questions, attempting to distinguish between private and public areas. The officers assert restrictions without citing any specific law. This early exchange highlights a common misunderstanding. Simply claiming privacy or invoking HIPAA does not automatically override First Amendment rights when the activity occurs in a publicly accessible lobby.
HIPAA violation.
That's not true.
Yeah.
It's not true.
Patient.
Do you know what HIPAA protects?
Yeah, medical records.
Right. You see any medical records out here?
Some people don't want to show their face. They don't want
HIPAA doesn't protect people's faces.
to, it does.
Not in public.
This is in the
HIPAA protects. HIPAA protects
This is
the.
a skilled nursing home.
HIPAA,
clinic is on the other
HIPAA
side.
protects the doctors from taking pictures of the patients, not the public
Not
taking
doctors,
pictures in
everyone.
public. No, that's not true.
Yeah.
Search it. Google if HIPAA protects people's faces in public. Because if I was on the sidewalk, I could record everybody's face that walks in and out this building. Is that protected by
Could I ask you
HIPAA?
why you're recording?
And I can't violate HIPAA because I'm not HIPAA trained. I'm not HIPAA certified. You know who can violate HIPAA?
I'm notifying
The
you right now.
doctors. I can't violate
I'm
HIPAA.
notifying you right now.
Only people that can violate
You
HIPAA
could
is the
violate.
doctors. No, I can't.
You could.
No, I can't.
Everyone's.
No, I'm not HIPAA certified or trained.
Could I ask you
how am
why
I
you're
going?
recording?
You can ask me why, but I tell you I don't feel like answering any questions. I'm just peacefully exercising my rights in a public area,
Could I ask you to leave?
which is protected. You can ask me anything. You can ask me to smack myself.
Are you gonna leave?
I'm conducting business. Are you
What's your
denying me?
business here?
You see, I'm taking pictures and videos of the wall, the paintings. And did you know that there's a Right to Record Act? That's a law that says that I can record peace officers in the course of their
You can
duties
Record me all you want. Just don't record
from
the building.
public.
Don't record the building.
The building's public.
No, it's not a public. This is not. I'm telling you right now.
It's
this is not
privately
public.
owned?
Yes.
So,
This side, this is what I was
so
trying
New
to
York
explain.
City Health and Hospitals is private?
It's two different sides.
Really? The city's private?
This is a skilled nursing home.
New York City is private? I thought New York City was public.
It's two different sides.
This is New York City. You're New York City Health and Hospitals Police. You think they're gonna put New York City Health and Hospitals Police in a private facility? Why would they put public employees in a private facility?
It's still a private facility.
No, it's past this point. It's
We're
private,
public workers, but this is a private.
and this is a
facility.
public lobby. No.
As the interaction unfolds, the citizen directly challenges claims about HIPAA, pointing out that it only protects medical records, not the public taking photographs in open areas. He repeatedly emphasizes that he is in a publicly accessible lobby and not recording private medical information. The officers struggle to explain why the recording will be unlawful, often deflecting or citing generalized violations without legal grounding. The citizen remains calm, stating his purpose clearly and asserting that he is recording public officials lawfully performing their duties.
It's not. It's a publicly owned facility. It's funded by taxpayers. It's owned by the city, by the public. I'm not going anywhere I'm not allowed to be.
Call PD.
Yeah. What are they going to do? But you're a peace officer. You don't know?
No, I told you already. I told you
What did you
everything.
tell me?
Either you're gonna leave it yourself, or you're gonna be escorted out.
Why would they escort me out?
I informed you can't be recording here.
Why not?
You have no business.
Why not?
You have no business.
I told you
here.
my business
You're
multiple
not visiting,
times.
You're not working here. You have no business here. You're just recording. So
Did you know
right
that?
now you're
Did you know that?
trespassing.
No, I'm not.
You know.
In public?
I've
I'm
informed-
trespassing
you're
in
not
public?
This is a lobby, right?
What, a private lobby or a public lobby?
This is a private lobby.
It's a
the
public
public
lobby.
is on the other side. This is the two buildings. You're on the public side right now. A private side right now.
This isn't private. The public can come and gather information
I'm
here.
telling you, this is the private side.
If I want to come get information on how I
have
can
no
send a
business.
family member here, I can do that.
Yeah, but you don't have to.
You're just lying on camera.
I don't care.
Oh, the camera will show multiple times I stated my business. Multiple times.
you refuse
I did.
to
I said I'm
say your
recording.
business.
And I'm recording a peace officer in the course of their
Point
duties.
that at me all day.
Yeah, I'm protected right now.
Yeah, but you physically being here is trespassing right now.
No, it's
I
not.
informed you.
How did I get in? Was it locked? Or was I able to walk right in?
Any building you can walk right in.
No, well,
It's public.
this is publicly owned. It's funded by tax dollars.
So
It is,
yeah,
right?
You
So
can walk right into jail.
And there's secured areas. Like you see that says, attention, this area is closed to all visitors. If I go back there, that's trespassing. This is a public lobby where the public can come in and seek services,
Family members.
seek
and
information. If I want to get information, I can come in and get information.
information?
Yeah, that's part of my business.
What do you need?
Part of my business is to see how you act at work, take pictures of the beautiful lobby, get some public information, and then be on my way. That's business. That's business. Why don't you? That should have been the first
The
question.
situation escalates as a facility administrator intervenes, attempting to classify portions of the building as private. The citizen counters, citing public ownership and taxpayer funding, which makes the lobby accessible to the public. He emphasizes that documenting public operations, including the actions of peace officers, is protected by law. The dialogue underscores a key principle. Administrative claims of privacy or discomfort do not automatically grant officers authority to remove someone lawfully exercising their rights in publicly funded spaces.
Ask me.
What do you need?
I don't want to deal with you. You're rude. And you don't seem educated on your job. You don't know what's public, what's private. This is a public lobby.
What information do you need, though?
You're good.
All recording inside?
No, but pretty much you stay in this lobby area. Just inform them, can't be anywhere else. Okay. But the healthcare facility.
Actually, I informed you of that. I have to remind you of that. I don't intend to go into any restricted areas. I have to check in and be a visitor to pass that area. That door has a sign. It's locked. This is a public lobby. The public has a right to come in. Ma'am, who are you?
I'm the administrator of the nursing home. This isn't public.
No,
You need to go.
New York City Health and
so-
Hospitals isn't public.
Sir, sir,
Please don't yell at me.
You need to go.
if they ask you to leave, and you gotta go.
Why would they ask me to leave a public building?
It's
All
not a
right,
public
they ask you to
building.
leave, you gotta go now.
We're not.
What's your name, ma'am? So I can hold you accountable
No, sir.
for soliciting a trespass from public.
You gotta go, sir.
Absolutely
Hold on,
incorrect.
I'm asking her for
You need to leave
information.
now. Thank you.
What's your name? Identify yourself so I can hold you accountable.
She doesn't have to. It's not part of her policy. You know, obviously we have to if you ask for it, but
And
she doesn't have to.
you're enforcing her feelings. She could say anything. She could say, "I don't like him. Ask him to leave."
She works
That doesn't
here.
mean that doesn't
She
mean
works
anything.
here. She allowed to ask you to leave.
Why are you yelling? De-escalate.
That's how.
You're trained
That's
to
how I
de-
talk.
Okay.
That's how he talks.
All right. Then I was mistaken. I feel like he was yelling at me.
No. That's how he
Right.
talks.
People talks
She
differently.
could be mistaken. He's a peace
Okay,
officer.
so
He's a peace officer.
Okay, can you
And
let me
you're-
finish?
I didn't even get to talk.
All
You're
right, let
cutting
me finish my
off.
word first, all right?
Go ahead, and I
All
hope you
right,
give me the same
She works
respect.
here as administrator.
Okay.
She is allowed to call the police
Yeah.
for somebody that's not welcome.
Okay.
If she thinks you're not welcome, she can ask you to leave. And
Okay.
if you don't want to leave, we can assist you to go.
Okay. She also can be wrong. This is
you
public. Can I talk? I'll let you
All right,
talk,
go,
right?
go.
She also can be wrong, right? She could be miseducated,
Finish
right?
what you're saying. Let's finish what you're
All right,
saying.
but listen to what I'm saying. Listen to understand. Don't just
Finish what your word
listen
first,
to
then I answer
respond.
you.
Okay? She could be wrong. He's a peace officer. He said that as long as I'm in this public lobby of this public building, I have a right to be, have a right to record my peace officers in the course of their duties through the Right to Record Act, as long as I'm in a public area. That's the law. I can watch him while he's at work. This isn't a private facility. This is New York City owned and tax funded. That means I have a right to come in and conduct business. My business is investigative journalism. She's wrong.
Okay, you
And
done talking now?
You should know
You
the
done
law.
talking now?
You should
You
know
done
the law.
talking now?
Can I speak to you? You seem a little bit more cordial. I feel like he's escalating the situation. Did anything I say?
No, yeah,
It's
I'm all
reasonable,
about,
right?
you know,
Because this is-
protecting everyone's rights. You know, everyone
Yeah.
has the
Well,
right to
it seems like he's trying to violate my rights right now.
No. So